Hello everyone. Welcome back here in this new video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use the nested if and the ifs function in Excel. If you have not watched previous video on if function tutorial for beginners, it is better to watch that video first. As I stated in previous video, nested if and ifs both function are used for multiple logic testing. Nested if is for old versions of Excel, and ifs is for the 2016 and later versions. Here I have two examples. This first example has the student name and mark obtained in an examination. Requirement is to display the grade based on grading criteria given here. In this case, we have multiple grading criteria. Every single mark obtained should be compared with the grading criteria to find out the matching result. In the second example, I have customer name and their purchase value. Requirement is to calculate the eligible discount amount because there are multiple discount criteria. Here too, multiple logics has to be tested to find out the matching result. In the first example, I will use nested if, and in the second one, I will use the ifs function. If you have 2013 and earlier Excel version, go with nested if. If you have 2016 and later Excel version, go with the ifs function. Let's start calculating grade here using nested if. Click on C8 cell. Press equals, then type if. Open parentheses. In the logical test, click on marked obtained. Then type greater than symbol. Type 80, then give a comma. Now in the value if true, type A between double quotations. Now give a comma. In the value if false parameter, repeat the if function again. Type if, open parentheses. In the logical test, check for second logic for grade B. That is, mark obtained should be greater than or equal to 60. Give comma. In the value if true, write B between double quotations. Give a comma. In the value if false, again combine if function. Then test the third logic for grade C. That is, mark obtained is greater than or equal to 40. Give a comma. In value if true, type double quotes C, double quotes. Give a comma. In the value if false, type double quotes D, double quotes. Close three parentheses. Here we used multiple if function inside the first if. That is why this is called nested if. Now press enter. Grade is calculated. Use the fill handle to drag it down. All grades are calculated based on the criteria set here. Now, let's go to second example and use ifs function. In the cell J8, press equals, type ifs, open parentheses. In the logical test one, check whether the purchase value falls under the highest purchase category. Click on the purchase value, type greater than or equal to symbol. Then type 100,000. Give a comma. In this value if true one, use a formula, which is click on purchase value, multiply with 5%. Give a comma. In this logical test 2, check whether the value falls under second discount condition. That is, click on purchase value, type greater than or equal to symbol, then type 50,000. Give a comma. In the value if true 2, use a formula. That is purchase value multiply with 3%. Give a comma. In the logical test 3, test the third condition. Click on purchase value, greater than or equal to 25,000. Give a comma. In the value if true 3, type formula, purchase value multiply with 1%. Give a comma. Finally, in this logical test 4, check if the value is less than 25,000. Give a comma. Then in value if true 4, type 0. Close parentheses and press enter. Drag the formula down. Discount is calculated based on multiple conditions. So, this is how we use nested if and ifs function in Microsoft Excel. If y'all want to practice this, Download the sample file from video description below. Request you to subscribe this channel if you have not. See you in next tutorial.